Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to color in a mandala. First, gather your preferred coloring tools, whether they are vibrant colored pencils, smooth markers, or shimmering gel pens. Next, select a mandala design that truly resonates with you, perhaps one with intricate patterns or simpler, bolder lines. You can start coloring from the very center and work your way out, or begin from the outer edges and move inwards. Now, let's talk about color. A color wheel is an excellent tool to help you understand how colors interact, showing you complementary colors that create high contrast or analogous colors that offer a harmonious blend. Aim to select about 3 to 5 main colors for your mandala to ensure a cohesive and balanced appearance. Don't be afraid to experiment with various shades and tints of these colors to add depth and interest. To bring your mandala to life, consider adding depth and texture. For soft, translucent layers, apply your coloring tools with lighter pressure. When you want a richer, more opaque color saturation, simply increase the pressure you apply. You can also blend colors smoothly by using gentle circular motions or by employing a blending tool, creating seamless transitions and a professional finish. As you near completion, consider adding some finishing touches. Outlining certain sections with a fine-tip pen can create crisp, defined edges, making your patterns pop. For an extra touch of brilliance, add small highlights using a white gel pen or a very light color to catch the light. Finally, step back and take a moment to truly appreciate your completed, unique piece of art. It's a wonderful way to practice mindfulness and creativity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.